In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to leave a tournament tab safely and quickly. Let's start by getting to the tournament screen. This is the dedicated space where you can see the tournament you joined, view brackets or standings, and manage your participation. If you're already there, perfect. If not, make sure you're viewing the tournament area of your app or game so the correct tab is in front of you. You'll typically recognize it by a label like Tournament, Event, or something similar in the interface. The goal is simply to be on the tournament screen so you can access the tab you want to close. Once you're on the tournament screen, move your cursor to the top right corner of the tournament tab. Don't click yet, just hover. Hovering means resting your mouse pointer over that area without pressing any buttons. Many interfaces hide the close control by default to keep things clean, and it only appears when your cursor is in exactly the right spot. You might notice a small X fade into view as you get close to that top right corner. If you don't see it immediately, take a second to position your cursor a little more precisely, right along the edge of the tab. Sometimes it helps to make sure the window isn't cropped or zoomed too far in, so that the tab's edges are fully visible. When the X appears, click it once to leave. This action closes the tournament tab and returns you to your previous view or main hub, depending on how the interface is designed. A quick tip here. Clicking the X is specifically for leaving the tab or view, not necessarily withdrawing from a tournament you're registered for. If your platform treats those as different actions, closing the tab won't affect your registration or progress. It just removes the active view so you can focus on other tasks. If you're in the middle of reading results or checking your placement, consider finishing that before you leave so you don't lose track of where you were. If the X doesn't appear after hovering, double check that your cursor is right at the corner of the active tournament tab and that you're not hovering another element layered above it. Also confirm that you're on a desktop or laptop with a mouse or trackpad, since hover effects are designed for cursor input. On some setups, the interface may take a split second to respond, so give it a brief moment. That's all there is to it. Go to the tournament screen, hover on the top right of the tab, and click the X to leave.